Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have a update for Microsoft Edge, and it's a security update, so it's important to apply. Microsoft Edge has had quite a few updates with security, and this one is another one. Of course, it's Chromium based, so that means it follows the security updates that Google Chrome often will have, and any Chromium based browser will have these updates. Now, it's interesting because it's arriving today, and you'll see in another video. My next video will talk about the security updates for Chrome. So I suspect that there are some of these security updates for Chrome that are now applied also today on Edge. So make sure that you update, even if you don't use Edge, update your browser, because you never know sometimes what can actually link to Edge when you click on it and have the browser open. Might as well keep every part of Windows secure. If you use it all the time, it should update automatically. If you don't, well, it depends on the configuration of your system. If Edge does have a startup item in the startup tab, it might update in the background, but if not, it might not. So go to the upper right corner, 3 dots, go into Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge. And here you will be updating your Edge browser. And you see here, it's updating the browser right now. And this update will actually bring your Edge browser to a new version. It's not clear exactly how many security flaws it fixes, but I suspect because it's in one package, but it does fix what is called a high severity flaw. And at the end, you should be at 102.0.1245.39, and that will mean it's going to keep you safe online, especially since the browser is your first line of defense. Keeping it up to date to stay safe is very important. So today, June 9th, 2022, a update for Microsoft Edge with some security fixes important to do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.